Hello, good morning, students. So, today we are going to learn about the chapter 7 Getting to Know Plants. So, this is the introductory part of the chapter and very much important chapter. It is in this chapter basically the key words we will learn. So, the keywords will be like this. You will know about what are the trees, what are the shrubs, what are the herbs, then what are called climbers, what are called creepers. Then you will know about the stem and its functions. Then you will means basically stem of the plant. You will know about the stem and its functions. Then you will know about the root and its types and their functions. Then you will know about the fruits, flowers, their parts as well as their functions, and leaf of the plant also, its parts and functions. So lot of things you will know from this chapter. First I will start from the beginning of the part, which is in your page number 52 of your book, Getting to Know Plants. Go outside and observe all the plants around you. Do you see that some plants are small, some are big, while some are while some are just patches of green on the soil. Some have green leaves, while some others have reddish ones. Some have huge red flowers, some have tiny blue ones, while some have none. So lot of variations we can find out if you will observe each and every plant around us very nicely and prominently. We do see a variety of plants existing all around us near our homes. In a school ground, you can see lot of plants are there around your school, different plants. On the way to the school, in the parks, in the gardens, everywhere you can see lot of different types of plants. And by watching these plants carefully, it will help you to understand the differences between the plants of different kinds. And you can also label the parts of a plant: their stem, their branches, their root, their leaf, their flowers, and fruit of the plant. First, we will categorize the plants in basic three parts. First, herbs, then shrubs, and then trees. Again I am saying first herbs, then shrubs, and then trees. Now, what are these things? Let's see, students. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. I repeat again. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short and may not have many branches. They are usually short and may not have many branches. So around your house or school, lot of things you can watch this way. Like I'm giving one example: tomato. Tomato is a kind of herb, and lot of examples are possible. I will show in picture and videos. Lot of things are possible like herbs. Then we'll come to shrubs. Some plants develop branches near the base of the stem. Some plants develop branches near of the base of the stem. The stem is hard but not very thick. It may be hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. Like I'm giving the examples, like China rose plant, then rose, then lemon. All are belongs to the category of shrub. Next our topic is trees. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stem. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called trees that you usually see around yourself or around your main house or your school. Lot of trees you can see, like mango tree, jackfruit tree, banana tree, banyan tree. Lot of trees are there, you can see. So students, in your book page number 53 in table 7.1, you can see one table is given, means table 7.1, categories of plants. So there are columns given in the table. First, plant name, then column 1 is the height, column 2 stem characteristics like green, tender, thick and hard, column 3 where do the branches appeared. Two parts are given there, at the base of the stem or at the higher up on the stem, and column 4 category of plant. So now examples also given in the table. First it is written plant name tomato, height is very short, its stem is like green and tender, then it is called in the category like herb. One more example is given, it is mango, height is very tall, its stem is very thick and hard, and branches can be seen higher up on the stem. So it is categorized as tree. Third one is given lemon, height is about our height, its stem is very hard, and the branches appeared at the base of the stem. So it is categorized as shrub. So 3 examples already given here in the column or in the table. 3 more blanked column or rows are given. So these 3 you will do by yourself. So you can take it as a homework. How it has given. Next 3 rows you have to fill by yourself and you have to show to me. Keep this thing in your mind. After this herb, shrub and tree, we'll come to the next 2 main topic of plant. One is called creeper and another is called climber. One is called creeper and another is called climber. So creepers are the plants which grow horizontally on the ground. They especially produce group of roots at the nodal regions to get more support from the soil. I repeat again, Creepers are the plants which grow horizontally on the ground. They especially produce group of roots at nodal regions to get more support from the soil. Examples like pumpkin, watermelon, sweet potato, etc. Many more examples are possible. Few more things you have to find out by these categories or by these features especially of creepers. Next is climbers. Climbers are the plants which have special structures like tendrils with which they twine to any support to grow vertically along the support. I repeat again, climbers are the plants which have special structures like tendrils with which they twine to any support. So twine means here to hold something, to hold the strong something, that is called twine, to grow vertically along the support. These are called climbers. Examples like cucumber, bean, money plant, etc. Means many more examples are possible. So those examples you have to find out and you have to show me those examples, these creepers and climbers. So students, you can easily see in this video we see many kinds of plants around us. They are mostly green in color. Plants differ in size and shape. Some plants are big and tall, some plants are small and short. Trees. Big plants are called trees, like coconut tree, mango tree. The stem of a tree is very strong, hard and woody. It is also called trunk. Trees have many branches that you can see, and tree lives for many years, almost over 1,000 years also, like a banyan tree. Most trees are green and they are very much useful. Some trees are tall and strong. The mango, tamarind and neem trees are very common in our country. Trees are of different shapes and sizes. Coconut tree is a very tall tree without the branches. Shrubs, already told. Shrubs are bushy plants with hard and woody stems. Their branches grow close to the ground, like rose, hibiscus, jasmine. They give the flowers also. Croton have beautiful, shining and multicolored leaves. These are crotons. Hibiscus, rose and cotton plants are shrubs. Climbers are plants with weak stem that need support to climb up and grow. Earlier mentioned. Creepers are the plants with weak stems that crawl or creep on the ground and spread. Climbers and creepers have soft and weak stems. They give us fruits and vegetables. Herbs are small plants with soft green and tender stems and small roots like rice, grass, coriander. Herbs live for a short time. Tulsi, balsam, tomato, mint and spinach are herbs. So students, now our next topic is stem. So about the stem, you know, basically for the plants, which part is called the stem. For a plant, the part which stays vertically on the ground, the entire part, it is called shoot. Two parts of a plant, one is root, which is under the ground, and another part is on the ground, that is called the shoot. So root and shoot, two parts are there. Out of these two parts, shoot part on the ground, which starts with the part of the plant, it is called the stem. Now in your NCERT book, with the stem, one activity is given and it will work as the function of stem. So our main motto is that what are the functions of stem. So read out this activity and try to do the activity at your home also, you can do. Observe closely the stems of different plants around you. Note down different structures or parts borne by the stem. Compare your observations with that of your friends. You can tally your observations with your friends' result. What do you find afterwards? You have to check. Is there any difference between your result and your friend's result, or all the results are same? You have to tally this way. Stems bear leaves, branches, buds, flowers and fruits, that we know. So what you have to do, you'd required for this activity one glass, water, red or blue ink, and a soft stem. Pour water to fill 1/3 of the glass. Add a few drops of red or blue ink to the water. Then cut the base of the stem and put it in the glass as shown in the figure in your NCERT book, figure number 7.6. Observe the setup. Does the color appear in the stem? You will find that the color rises in the stem. If this is kept for a longer period, the color appears in the veins of the leaves also. How do you think the color reached there? From this activity, you see that the stem helps in upward movement of the water. The water and the minerals go to the leaves and other plant parts attached to the stem. So this can be determined, and this conclusion you can come after doing this activity. So it's my earnest request to all, please do this activity at your home, very easy thing, and check it this way how it is told in your book. Very easy process. Try to do and try to show me. So now from this activity we can come to the conclusion that what are the basic functions of a stem that you have to learn. So first function of a stem is it gives support to the plants. Second, it transports water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the leaves. Third, it helps in the food and water conduction. Fourth, it holds the plant upright, due to which it is after called the backbone of the plant. Fifth, it bears branches, leaves, flowers, buds and fruits. So from the beginning I repeat again. It gives support to the plant. It transports water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the leaves. It helps in the food and water conduction. It holds the plant upright due to which it is often called the backbone of the plant. It bears branches, leaves, flowers, buds, and fruits. So today up to these the main topics. So at last I want to say few questions, means ask few questions to you, and you have to answer it very nicely. What are called herbs, shrubs, and trees? With examples. Along with that, you have to do that table 7.1. 3 already done over there, and 3 more you have to do by yourself. Next question, what are called weeds? What are called weeds? This answer you have to prepare by yourself, and in which category you will keep the weeds. Is it herb or shrub or tree? In which category you will place it? Third questions is that what are called creepers and climbers? With examples. Few examples I have given, and few more you have to find it out. And fourth question is that what are the main basic functions of a stem? And one more activity with the stem you have to do at your home. So today up to these students. Thank you very much. Students, here we'll know about the structure and functions of a stem. So you can easily see over here the flowering plant stem, it is showing over here. It bear branches, leaves, flower, and fruit. Earlier mentioned. So at the end of this module, you will be able to know, identify the different types of stems found in different plants. Then name of a plant based on that type of the stem it has, and explain the various functions of the stem. Different kinds of plants have different kinds of stems, like trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers, already told. These things already shown in the previous video. For a tree, its stem is known as the trunk. So just whatever the things you have seen already, shrub, it is showing over here again. Herbs are also showing over here. Very much smaller there. Creepers and climbers also, it is showing over here, that you know they are very weak and thin. Examples are showing watermelon, pumpkin are creepers, money plant, bitter gourd, these are climbers. So now the functions of stems, like stems give support to the plant, already mentioned. Stems bear branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Stems helps to carry water and minerals to different parts of the plant. Stems helps to carry food to different parts of the plant. Stems also help to store extra food made by the plants.